In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a HubSpot theme header. Whether you're working on creating a memorable online presence or simply refining your website's functionality, transforming your header is a crucial step. By customizing your theme header in HubSpot, you can better align your web pages with your brand's identity and improve user navigation. First, you'll need to access HubSpot's theme settings. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, head over to the marketing section, navigate to website, and then website pages or landing pages, depending on what you'd like to modify. From here, find and select the exact page you wish to edit. In the top menu, you'll notice a drop-down labeled Theme. Clicking on this will give you the option to select Edit Theme Settings. This will open up a new panel where all the theme's customizable options are laid out for you. Now that you've accessed the theme settings, let's look at customizing the header elements. Start by focusing on the header type. On the left sidebar, locate the header section. Here you have the choice between a sticky or fixed header. Opting for a sticky header means it will remain visible as users scroll down your page, providing constant access to navigation links. A fixed header, on the other hand, remains at the top of the page and does not scroll with the content. Next, consider the header menu. Still in the left sidebar, navigate to Header Groups. This feature allows you to personalize the menu's background color, font, and other styling options, which can really help your menu stand out. Following that, you might want to customize the logo. Switch over to the Content tab where you'll find the Website Header module. Here, you can override the default logo with one that better represents your brand and further customize properties such as alt text, width, height, and the URL link. Additionally, if you'd like to customize the search bar, this is also within the header section. You have the option to either enable or disable this feature and adjust its styling to better fit your overall theme. For those using a theme that includes a top bar, there's additional customization available there too. In the top bar section, you can modify the background color and font styles to help seamlessly integrate it with the rest of your site's design. Once all your customizations are complete, it's important to apply these changes. At the bottom of the Theme Settings panel, you'll find an Apply Changes button. Clicking this ensures all of your edits take effect. Finally, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and hit Publish to save and reflect these changes on your live site. That's the basics of customizing a HubSpot theme header. Following these steps not only enhances your website's functionality, but also helps present a more cohesive and engaging user experience.